Hello, welcome to my channel. In this very video we are going to learn about how surds can be added and subtracted, addition and subtraction of surds. Now we already know that surds are numbers that are square root of numbers that doesn't give a whole number. Okay, and that follows one of the operations, one of the laws of surd that says that if we have a root b plus or minus c root b. Now, so long as the roots are the same, we can have a, we just factor b out, root b out, b into what? A plus or minus c. Okay? This is the rule we follow whenever we are adding or subtracting surd. And I will explain this very in details. Now, what does this mean? Surds can be added when they are of the same value. Okay, two surds can be added if they are of the same value. They can also be subtracted if they are the same value. Now let us see an example. An example can be if you are asked to add 5 root 3 plus 5, let me say 7 root 2. Now you can see that this is 5 root 3, this is 7 root 2. The surds are not the same. So long as what you have in the square root sign are not the same, these surds cannot be combined, they cannot be added. Okay, it will just be left like this. Now this will remain the 5 root 3 plus 7 root 2 because they are not of the same order. Okay, so we can't add them. Now let us assume that they are not the same. Now we can have 6 root 5 plus 5 root 5. Now we can see that in this case the surds are what? Are of the same order because the number under the square root sign is what? Both 5. Now since they are the same, the surds can be combined. Now you have 6 root 5 here, you have 5 root 5 here. So altogether, when this is added, 5 plus 6 will give us what? 11 root 5. Now another example can be if you can be asked to simplify. And to simplify 3 root 2 plus 7 root 2. Now in this very case, we can see that the roots, the number under the root sign, the surds are of what? They have the same value. So you can add them up. So 3 root 2 plus 7 root 2. You have 3 of root 2 here. You have 7 of root 2 here. So altogether you have 10 root 2. Okay? So the same thing also goes for the case of subtraction. Now if you are asked to simplify, say 13 root 17, okay, plus, let me just say minus, in this case minus 5 root 17. Now since they are both of the surds are the same, okay, the magnitude of the surds, they are the same. This root 17 is root 17. So we have 13 root 17 and 5 root 17. So we are asked to subtract. Now we can easily subtract, okay, because they have the same order. Now 13 minus 5 will give us what? Will give us 8 root 17. So that is how surds are being added. Okay. So now if you have say 3 root 3 minus 5 root 2. These two surds cannot be subtracted because the number under the root signs are not the same. So they can't be added. Alright? But there are cases whereby you can have something of this nature. You can have something of this nature, say you can say simplify this root 18 minus root 18 minus root, let's say root 27. Now, in this case, we can see that the two bases are not the same, okay? But we can make them to be the same. How do we do that? We know that root 18 is same thing as 2 times, or say, let me use the higher number, 9 times 2. Minus, this one is same thing as 3 times 9. Okay? So now, if we split this will become root 9 times root 2 minus this becomes root 3 times what? Root 9. Alright, so root 9 is what? 3 root 2 minus root 9 will become what? Square root of 9 is 3. That is 3 root 3. So what we have here is 3 root 2 minus 3 root 3. Now this is how far we can simplify this expression. So long as the number under the roots are not the same, such surds cannot be subtracted. Assuming we have that maybe here is, let's say here is, for instance, 8, and this is 8 root 3, this is 3 root 3, this can be subtracted. And how do we do that? We'll just say simply 8 minus 3, and that will give us 5 root 3. So this is how surds can be added and subtracted. Please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel to motivate me to make more videos like this. And don't forget to click on the notification bell icon below this video so that you get notified each time I upload a video like this. And please do comment, tell me what you feel and what else you want me to make a video about. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.